I stopped looking for another job and started looking for leverage. And it wasn't some big moment, it was actually frustration. Because every time I thought about getting another job, it just felt like the same cycle again. More hours, more pressure, but still limited income. So I started asking different questions, like what if income didn't always have to be tied to any time? What if there was a way to build something small on the side that could quietly grow over time? No big noise, no complicated stuff. Just something simple that makes sense long term. I'm still figuring it out, but I've definitely stopped chasing another job and started paying attention to opportunities to give you a bit more freedom. Because honestly, this that just feels like a smarter move right now. And I found it. And if you want to know more about this, put a yes in my comments. I'll send you the details.